Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2018 Subaru Impreza Premium Hatchback all-wheel drive, stock number E2349A. Only 20,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, island blue pearl in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat backs fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. The Impreza is a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, backup camera, and adaptive cruise control. Lots of cargo space in the rear with a removable rubber mat for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Premium has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control along with adaptive cruise where you can set the distance. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can connect smartphones, Pandora, AHA radio apps, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And that's of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission, and heated front seats. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Impreza has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 152 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 28 miles to the gallon and a city average of 37 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Impreza, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.